It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of October. I'm Michael Groff. Widespread rain in association with former Hurricane Rosa moving across the valley this morning, and we'll continue to see numerous showers and thunderstorms on and off through the day today and tonight. By tomorrow, the trough of low pressure that brought Rosa on northward across our area will be moving through the state, and that will bring another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Thursday and Friday look to dry out before more unsettled weather returns by the weekend. All right, let's talk about it as we take a look outside and see the rain coming down. Looks nice. It is glorious out there. Yesterday in the valley, how about 78 degrees for the afternoon high at Sky Harbor after a low of 69? We haven't had a low temperature under 70 since May the 27th. That's 126 days ago. Outside right now here at 6 a.m. with heavy rain coming down at the airport, 70 degrees officially at Sky Harbor. Dew point's also at 70, relative humidity 100%. Wind from the west at 10 miles per hour, barometer is rising. All right, let's check out rainfall totals from this event so far. Some pretty impressive numbers beginning to pile up now. 1.12 inches at South Mountain Park, almost an inch and a half at Waterman Wash, over an inch in Rainbow Valley here in Arcadia where I am. 1.20 inches and 0.79 of an inch at Sky Harbor Airport. This right here is the swath with the greatest amount of rain. Always interesting to see the rainfall distribution from this event. Pretty much the central part of Maricopa County and extreme northwest Pinal County has seen the most rain so far. We'll see if that changes. All right, current temperatures around the area, well, 62 at Thompson Peak. That's the cool spot, but generally mid-60s to near 70 for most of us. The water vapor satellite view, the main circulation center from Rosa has become decoupled. Actually, the surface circulation has sheared out. The upper level circulation remains to our south and west across northern Baja. The deep moisture is right over top of us right now. And then we have that trough off the west coast. We can't forget about that. That's going to add extra dynamics beginning later today and turn us into a more showery and scattered thunderstorm event as opposed to a stratified rain event that we're seeing this morning. Checking the watch warning map, those are winter weather advisories in parts of Montana. Here in Arizona, the big story, the flash flood watch for much of the central and western portions of our state. That's through 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms from around Cleveland over toward Pittsburgh and Allentown, PA. Here in Arizona, we're in the green. Scattered thunderstorms expected. No organized severe weather, though. But tomorrow, a different story. We've got the standard slight risk from around Las Vegas down through Kingman, Prescott, and the northwest portion of Maricopa County. Here in Phoenix, we're in the marginal risk, so we'll analyze that in just a moment. Rainfall for the next 7 days coming from the WPC, around an inch and a half still to occur here in Phoenix. This is again valid through next Tuesday morning, and we'll certainly see some unsettled weather over the weekend as well. This is not all going to be from Rosa. And then heavier totals, of course, across central and northern Arizona. All right, let's get into the details of it now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough of low pressure off the California coast, an upper low spinning around, and that's going to help to add extra dynamics to a very deep moisture environment here over Arizona today. So rain heavy at times this morning. Well, that'll give way to numerous showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. I think we'll see a little bit of sun try to break out, especially over the western part of the state today, and maybe even here in the valley. And if that happens, that serves to destabilize the atmosphere just a bit, and that's where we could see a few thunderstorms. They could put out some gusty winds. Don't expect anything severe today, though. Highs this afternoon in the low 80s. Tonight, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms, locally heavy rain possible. Lows upper 60s and low 70s. Tomorrow, our trough finally begins to move east across the region onto the California coast. It'll be through here by tomorrow night. So the day on Wednesday, partly sunny, and the best chance of any rain will be during the afternoon hours. We'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms develop. Some of those storms could be on the strong side. Looking at some of the atmospheric parameters, this is the bulk shear tomorrow afternoon coming off the 3-kilometer NAM, and shear values between 40 to 50 knots from the south and southwest. Pretty good shear. And then the instability, the CAPE values, convective available potential energy tomorrow afternoon between 1 and 2,000 joules per kilogram. So we got good winds aloft and some decent instability. Now, let me show you this. This is a forecast sounding coming from the NAM, and I know to some of you this is just going to look like a bunch of gobbledygook, but what we're really looking for here is the dry air in the mid-levels, and we've got some of that. So very steep lapse rates, good mixing ratios, and decent CAPE values between 1,000 and 1,500 joules per kilogram. And so what that means is you see the possible hazard type there, marginal severe tomorrow afternoon. It all spells out to a decent chance that we'll see some strong storms. And I'd say the window for that is sometime between about 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. All right, after that, we will really start to dry out rapidly as that trough shifts off to the east. And then Thursday, how about this? Mostly sunny skies. I know, what a change of pace, right? But highs are only going to be in the mid to upper 80s. Friday, another little open wave type disturbance moves through here, but not much fanfare behind it, no moisture. So high temperatures again, mid 80s, and the sky partly cloudy. On Saturday, the global models show an amplification of our trough here over the western United States. Disturbances will rotate through the base of that trough, and that will provide extra dynamics for at least a slight chance of showers and storms in here. Saturday, better chance on Sunday, though, and high temperatures, low 80s Saturday, upper 70s to near 80 on Sunday. And the unsettled weather continues even into Monday. Highs just 77 to 80. Lows this time, how about down in the upper 50s, maybe low 60s, and that's about it. Sounds delightful. And then here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 9th of October. Still have a deep trough here over the west. That looks cool, maybe unsettled as well, at least a slight chance of showers and storms. Highs still upper 70s and low 80s. Here's Wednesday. This is the 10th, and still a trough over the west. And same thing for the end of the forecast period. Thursday, the 11th. Troughing continues over the western states. Heights below average. Temperatures below average. Likely only in the low to mid 80s if this verifies. Let's take a look at the numbers through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And I don't know if we're going to get to the upper 80s this week. We could, certainly at least one of these days. But even if we do, that's still below where we should be for this time of year. Normal highs are in the low and mid 90s here in the first week of October. And as we get out there toward mid-October, normal highs are in the upper 80s. And we look to stay below average maybe for the next 15 days. That'd be phenomenal. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Enjoy the rain. I took a walk in it this morning. Maybe you should too. Have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.